alphabet.
A is for apple. Apples are juicy and sweet. B is for ball. Kids like to play with ball. C is for cat. Cats like to play and sleep. D is for dog. Dogs make great pets. E is for elephant. Elephants have big ears. F is for fish. Fish live in the water. G is for grapes. Grapes can be green and purple. H is for hat. Hats goes on your head. I for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and yummy. J is for juice. Orange juice is my favorite. K is for kite. Kites fly high in the sky. L is for lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. M is for moon. The moon shines at night. N is for nest. Birds beat nest to living. O is for orange. Orange juice is full of vitamin C. P is for penguin. Penguins live where it's cold. Q is for queen. A queen wears a crown. R is for rabbit. Rabbits have long ears. S is for sun. The sun gives us light and warmth. T is for tree. Trees give us shade and oxygen. U is for umbrella. Umbrellas keep us dry in the rain. V is for van. A van can carry many people. W is for watermelon. Watermelons are refreshing. X is for xylophone. A xylophone makes musical sounds. Y is for yak. Yaks live in cold mountains. Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel.